Welcome to the Sunday Funnies. Today we're going to have a Dog Day version of the Sunday Funnies because we just celebrated National Dog Day, International Dog Day. So I've got 5 comics that have got dogs in them today. In the first one, it's Pickles. So Grandpa's out walking Roscoe, and he passes a man who's walking his dog, and the other man says, "Excuse me, do you have a bag I can borrow?" And Grandpa says, "A bag?" The other guy says, "Yeah, for the dog." Grandpa says, "Ah, yes, here you go." The man says, "Thanks." Then he says, "I meant an empty one." I guess Grandpa gave this guy the bag that Roscoe had already gone in. That's a good one. The next comic we have is Peanuts by Charles Schulz. So Snoopy is laying on his doghouse, and he's in his mind he's saying, "I hope Woodstock is getting a nice tan at the beach." Guess Woodstock went to the beach. And Snoopy says, "I keep thinking there was something I was going to tell him about." Next frame, he says, "Now I remember," as Woodstock appears with a sunburned beak. Beak lotion. Woodstock was trying to remember to tell Woodstock something that was important. And when he saw that Woodstock's beak was sunburned, he remembered what it was. Beak lotion. The next one is Red and Rover. Red is a young guy with red hair, and he's got a dog whose name is Rover. And this is a single frame. And Red is sitting there and giving Rover a hug. They're just hugging each other. And the frame says, "We're thankful for the dogs in our lives because they have cold noses but very warm fur." We are thankful for the dogs in our lives. They're man's best friend. Next up is Garfield. Garfield has a friend in the comic strip who's a dog, and his name is Odie. And so Garfield and Odie are together, and Odie always seems like he's ready to please. And Garfield says to Odie, "Fetch the meaning of life, Odie." And Odie runs away in the second frame. And Garfield says, "This should be interesting." In the third frame, Odie comes back holding a teddy bear in his mouth. And Garfield says, how'd you guess? How did you guess that holding a teddy bear is the meaning of life? It could be the meaning of life for a dog, I guess. The last one today is Mother Goose and Grimm. And Mother Goose and Grimm are together, and Mother Goose says, Grimm, Grimm, you never listen to me. You only hear what you want to hear. And Grimm says, why, yes. I'd love some doggy treats. Thank you. So Mother Goose says, you only hear what you want to hear. Grimm says, yeah, I would love some doggy treats. Hey, thanks for joining us today. This is, we're honored that you would take a few minutes from your busy schedules to spend with us. The thought I have for today is to greet each day with gladness. It's great to be alive. None of us knows how many days we have. So we need to greet each day with gladness and make the most of each opportunity we have today. Love you guys so much. Hope to see you again. Bye now.